Good morning, children. Today we have a new lesson in English 5, Quarter 1, Week 1, about recognizing story elements. Look at each picture, then answer the following questions. Are you familiar with these pictures? Who are the characters in the pictures? Yes, the characters in the pictures are Cinderella, Belle, Rapunzel, Snow White, and Sleeping Beauty. Can you give us a simple retell in one of the stories from the picture that you know? Here's my example answer. I remember the story of Sleeping Beauty. A princess was cursed by a fairy to fall asleep on her 16th birthday. She touched a spinning wheel and fell into a deep sleep for 100 years. A kind prince found her, gave her a kiss, and she woke up, and they lived happily ever after. Here are a short background for the stories in the pictures. Cinderella. Cinderella is a kind-hearted young woman who is mistreated by her stepmother and stepsisters. With the help of her fairy godmother, she attends a royal ball where she captures the heart of the prince. Despite obstacles, including losing her glass slipper, Cinderella's goodness prevails, and she finds her happily ever after. Next, we have Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast tells the story of Belle, a smart and compassionate girl who finds herself imprisoned in the castle of a fearsome beast. As Belle gets to know the beast, she discovers his kindness and learns to see beyond his appearance. Their unlikely friendship blossoms into love, breaking a curse that had transformed the beast and his servants. Next is Rapunzel. Rapunzel is a young girl with long magical hair who has been trapped in a tower by an evil witch since she was a baby. With the help of a brave young man named Flynn Rider, Rapunzel escapes her tower and discovers the world outside for the first time. Along the way, she learns about friendship, love, and the importance of following her dreams. Then we have Snow White. Snow White is a beautiful princess who is forced to flee into the forest to escape her jealous stepmother, the evil queen. There, she befriends seven dwarfs who protect her and help her stay safe. Despite the queen's attempts to harm her with a poisoned apple, Snow White ultimately finds true love and happiness with a prince. Lastly, we have Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty, also known as Princess Aurora, is cursed by an evil fairy to fall into a deep sleep on her 16th birthday after pricking her finger on spindle. Despite the efforts of the good fairies to protect her, the curse comes true. However, true love's kiss from a brave prince awakens Aurora from her slumber, breaking the curse and bringing joy to the kingdom. Let me remind you, children, that the main characters in the story that I've mentioned became a heroine of their own because of their strength, courage, and determination to solve their problems, which created peace and justice in their own kingdoms. Have you been a hero or a heroine in your own way? In what way? Here's my sample answer. Yes, I think I've been a hero in my own way. One time, my seatmate was having a hard time answering a question. So I whispered, "You can do it," and help him study after class. Later, he got the answer right. I felt proud because I helped someone believe in themselves. Group the learners into four groups. This is dependent on the number of learners you have in the class. And give them an envelope containing puzzle piece of the portrait of a Filipino hero, Jose P. Rizal. The activity shall only last for 3 minutes, excluding the processing of the activity. Let us answer the following question. Number 1, who is the person in the puzzle? Jose Rizal is our national hero. He was very smart and brave. He wrote books to help Filipinos fight for freedom in a peaceful way. What did he do for our country? Jose Rizal helped our country by writing books that showed the truth. He wanted Filipinos to be free. He used his brain and heart, not weapons, to help our country. Where can you see him? We can see Jose Rizal on the 1 peso coin. We also see his big statue at Rizal Park. We learn about him in school and see his pictures in our books. From the activity, do you think the whole picture will be complete if one piece of the puzzle is missing? Why or why not? No, the picture won't be complete if one piece is missing. Because every puzzle piece is important, just like all of us. We all matter. Class, just like how a puzzle is not complete when a piece is missing, a story is also made up of different parts. Every part is important to understand the whole story. This week, we are going to learn about the different elements of a short story. These elements work together to make the story complete and meaningful, just like the puzzle pieces that fit together to show the full picture. So, as we read stories this week, I want you to remember that each part, like the characters, setting, plot, and more, helps us understand and enjoy the story better. Match the concepts in column A and with the descriptions in column B. Identify the word or phrase being described. Write the letter of the correct answer to the blank provided. Number one, character, setting, plot, conflict, theme. Here are the choices. A. The central message or lesson that the author wants readers to take away from the story. B. The struggle or problem that drives the plot of a story. C. The time and place in which a story takes place. D. The sequence of events that make up a story. E. A person, animal, or creature in a story. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Number one, the answer E. Number two, C. Number three, D. Letter B for number four. A for number five. Now that you have the basic concepts and terms related to the elements of a short story, start with defining what a short story is. A short story is a made up story that is not as long as a whole book, like a novel. Short stories are usually between 5 and 60 pages or more, depending on the formatting, so you can read them in one sitting. They often focus on just one thing that happens, and they usually have only one or two characters. It consists of different elements, generally as characters, plot, conflict, setting, and theme. Character. Character refers to the people, animals, or creatures in a story. They are the individuals who drive the action of the story and with whom readers identify. Characters have different personalities, traits, and roles within the narrative. They can be protagonists or the main characters, antagonists or the opposing characters, or supporting characters who help move the story along. Depending on how you see it, a character can be classified as either round or flat, dynamic or static, a protagonist or an antagonist. For a short story, well rounded and dynamic characters will be your strength. The easiest way to write interesting characters is to make sure that they have a flaw. Always keep in mind that in any story, perfect characters fall flat. Setting. Setting encompasses the time in which a story unfolds. It includes details about environment, geography, historical period, and cultural context that provide the backdrop for the events of the narrative. The setting helps to establish the mood or atmosphere of the story and can influence the actions and experiences of the characters. Plot. The plot refers to the sequence of events that make up the storyline of a narrative. It includes the exposition, introduction of characters and setting, rising actions or events leading to the main conflict, climax or the highest point of tension or turning point, falling action or events following the climax, and resolution or the outcome or conclusion. The plot drives the story forward and keeps readers engaged as they follow the character's journey. For back half 2023, writers use the plot to map out their story before beginning their writing process. For fiction writing, this serves as a creative outline. So, an understanding of the plot is crucial to craft a compelling narrative and make it impactful. The sequence of events in a plot is tied to the central conflict in a story. The plot develops as the protagonist struggles with their given problem, finds a solution, and eventually accepts the result. Back half 2023 identified six succinct stages of a plot. 1. Exposition, an introduction of characters, setting, and conflict, providing all the necessary background information. 2. Inciting incident, the incident that leads the main character to conflict and begins the plot. 3. Rising action, the conflict develops and takes on newer, more complicated incidents leading to the climax. Conflict. Conflict is the central struggle or problem that propels the plot forward and creates tension in the story. It can be internal, a character's inner struggle, or external, a conflict between characters or with an outside force. Common types of conflict include person versus person, person versus self, person versus society, and person versus nature. Resolving the conflict is often essential to the development of characters and the resolution of the story. Theme. Theme is underlying message, lesson, or moral that the author conveys through the story. It reflects the deeper meaning or purpose behind the events and characters' experiences. Themes can explore universal concepts such as love, friendship, courage, justice, or betrayal. They provide insight into human nature and the world around us, prompting readers to reflect on their own lives and values. Themes may be explicit or implicit and can vary based on interpretation. Arrange the pool of words to the columns where they belong. House, man versus society. Anna, garden. Man versus nature. John, Carlo, love and friendship. School, bravery, sadness. Supermarket, honesty. Man versus man. Road, man versus self. Jonathan, character, setting, theme, conflict. Let's check. Here are the answers for characters: Anna, Jan, Jonathan, Carlo. For setting: house, garden, school, supermarket. Theme: bravery, honesty, sadness, love, and friendship. Conflict: man versus self, man versus nature, man versus society. Let's read the story, Elo the Hero by Rocky James Guevara Saraswat. There is a small barangay situated between the rolling hills of Quirino Province in Region 2, Cagayan Valley, where an intuitive and courageous young boy named Elo lived. Elo was in grade 5 and he had always dreamt of becoming a hero like Captain Marvel, Plastic Man, Superman, and Spider-Man, which he has seen in many TV shows and films. After a half-day class due to extreme heat while playing near a bubbling river just near their house, Ella heard cries for help. Rushing towards the sound, he discovered that a Calding, a goat, had fallen into the Carayan River and was struggling to stay afloat. Ella jumped into action. He remembered his tatay Ronnie teaching him about swimming in the river, and he carefully paddled into the water. Despite the water currents, Elo managed to reach the goat's neck and embrace it up in his arms. He saw the mother goat and its siblings just across the river, seemingly crying for help while looking into the baby goat that was drowning. But just as he turned to swim back to shore, he realized that the current had grown even stronger and he was being pulled away from safety. He became quite nervous due to strong water currents. But Elo continued his heroic act by paddling near the river bank, determined enough to save the little goat. Elo struggled against the water current, moving his way back to the safety of the river bank. It was a difficult experience for Elo. But finally, with one last spurt of effort, he reached the shallow waters and pulled himself and the baby goat to safety. His kabarangayans, who had gathered upon hearing the commotion, went to help as Elo was emerging from the water. Dripping wet but triumphant, they admired his bravery and quick thinking, and Elo felt a warm glow of pride in his chest. After saving the little goat from drowning, Elo was viewed by his kabarangayans as little child hero of their small village. Even his friends look up to him for his bravery. He has clearly shown that even a child could perform acts of bravery and kindness, and his story inspired others to be courageous in the face of challenges. And as for the goat, it became Elo's faithful companion, a constant reminder of the day when a grade 5 boy became a real hero of his own way. What is the story all about? Here's my sample answer. The story is about Elo, a boy who saved a baby goat from the river. He was brave even if he was still young. The people in their place called him a hero. Number two, who is the main character of the story? How do you describe the main character based on his portrayal in the story? Here's my sample answer. The main character is Elo. He is brave and kind. He helped the goat even if it was hard. he is a hero. Number three, where does the main character live? How do you describe their place? Elo lives in a small barangay in Quirino province. Their place has hills and a river. It's quiet and nice. Number four, what did the main character of the story save? Elo saved a baby goat that fell into the river. Number five, if you were the main character, would you also do the same? Why or why not? Yes, I would also do the same because I want to help and be brave like Elo. It feels good to help someone or even an animal that is in trouble. Number six, what is the main idea or main lesson you learn from the story? The main lesson I learned is that anyone can be a hero, even kids. We just need to be brave, kind, and willing to help others. 7. Do you know someone who is as heroic as the main character? Who is the person and how did he or she become heroic? Yes, I know someone like Elo. It's my teacher. She always helps us when we have problems. She listens to us and cares for us. That's why I think she is a hero too. Number 8, how can you become a hero or heroine of your own? I can be a hero by helping people and doing what is right. Even small things like sharing or being kind can make me a hero. Arrange me. The events of the story, Elo, the hero, is presented below, but in jumbled way. Your task is to arrange the events accordingly. Elo reached the little boat and released him while swimming. Let's check. Elo just went home after a half-day class in school. Number 2, while playing, Elo heard cries near the river. 3, Elo saw a little goat drowning and went to it. 4, Elo remembered his father's teaching about swimming in the river. 5, Elo reached the little goat and embraced him while swimming. 6, Elo emerged from the river back. 7, Elo Kabarangayans look up to him as a little hero. Based on the story, Elo, the hero, fill out the graphic organizer below. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Here are the characters: Elo, Little Goat, Elo's dad, the people in Elo's village. Settings: by the river and Elo's house. Team: be brave. help others, listen to your parents. Conflict, Elo versus the drowning goat and the river. Elo has to save the goat from the water. Plot. Elo comes home from school. He plays and hears cries from the river. He sees a little goat drowning. Elo remembers his dad taught him how to swim. He swims to the goat and saves it. Elo comes out of the river with the goat. Everyone in the village thinks Elo is a hero. Fill out what I have learned journal. The topic that I already know, blank. The topic that I just learned, blank. The topic that I still want to learn more, blank. Let's check. Here's the sample answers. I already know about the parts of a story. I just learned about different kinds of problems in stories. I still want to learn more about how stories teach us what's right and wrong. Provide the letter of the correct answer in your respective answer sheets. Number one, what is the setting of the story? A bustling city. B. A small barangay in Quirino Province. C. An island paradise. D. A magical forest. Number two, in what grade level does Elo belong? A grade 1, B grade 3, C grade 5, D grade 7. Number 3, what did Elo dream of becoming? A doctor, B, a teacher, C, a musician, D, a hero like Captain Barbell and Plastic Man. Number 4, what did Elo hear while playing near the river? A, birds chirping, B, cries for help, C, music playing, D, thunder rumbling. Number 5, what had fallen into the river? A fish, B, a dog, C, a goat calding, D, a cat. Number 6, what did Elo remember that helped him in the river? A, his favorite book, B, his math lessons, C, his favorite TV show, D, his tatay Ronit teaching him how to swim. 7. What was Elo's main challenge while rescuing the goat? A. Strong water currents. B. The extreme heat. C. A thunderstorm. D. A crocodile. Number 8. How did Elo feel after saving the goat? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Proud and triumphant. D. Tired and exhausted. Number 9. What did Elo's kabarangayans react to his bravery? A. They were jealous. B. They were indifferent. C. They admired and praised him. D. They laughed at him. Number 10. What did the villagers think of Elo after the incident? A. He was too young to be a hero. B. He was a troublemaker. C. He was a hero of their village. D. He was a coward. 11. What did Elo's friends think of him after the incident? A. They were afraid of him. B. They looked down on him. C. They admired him for his bravery. D. They stopped talking to him. Number 12. What did Elo gain from the experience? A. A new pet goat. B. A sense of pride and accomplishment. C. A superhero costume. D. A new bicycle. 13. What did the story teach others? A. It is best to avoid challenges. B. Even children can perform acts of bravery. C. Being kind is not important. D. TV shows are more important than real life heroes. 14. What was the goal to Elo after the incident? A. A reminder of his failure. B. A reminder of the day he became a hero. C. A constant source of annoyance. D. A scary memory. 15. Which element of a short story is evident in the resolution of Elo's story? A. Character development. B. Climax. C. Setting. D. Theme. Let's check. Number 1, the answer is B. Number 2, the correct answer is A. Number 3, D. A hero like Captain Barbell in Elastic Man. 4, Price for Help. 5, A Goat. 6, D. His tatay Ronnie teaching him how to swim. 7, A Strong Water Currents. 8, Proud and Triumphant. 9, C. They admired and praised him. 10, He was a hero of their village. 11, They admired him for his bravery. 12, A sense of pride and accomplishment. B. Even children can perform acts of bravery. 14, B. A reminder of the day he became a hero. 15, Sing. Watch a short story video about a father and his son and create a story grammar using the graphic organizer to present the different elements of a short story. Here's the link. Watch a short story video about a father and his son and create a story grammar using the graphic organizer to present the different elements of a short story. Here's the link.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.